all the turtles, and we're gonna see if we can find them all. And I'll tell you the names. Eastern river cooter, red-eared slider, snapping turtle, soft shell turtle. We found some geese. Geese flew away, as you saw. Hey, Aiden, what did you find? What did you find?
Turtle. Look, it's getting on that log. It's climbing up on it now. See? That small one?
Aiden, tell them what you found. At the turtle. I mean, what else?
What else did you find?
What else?
What's out there?
Geese. Oh, geese. Two geese.
Right there, right there. Oh!
Water. A seagull.
A seagull?
It's a seagull. Okay, guys, that is a pretty far. No, it's going. What'd you find? Oh, it's ducks. Ducks? Oh.
Ducks? Goose.
Maybe he likes to play goose, duck. Yeah. Goose, my big brother's right. We should play goose, duck. Goose. Goose, duck.
Got you.
But
Aiden found a baba.
Look. Okay, guys, look. We're gonna do this easily.
Watch. We're gonna find more turtles. See ya.
It's a red-eared slider because the right one right here. Oh, just to let you see.
Yeah, I don't know how long it takes.
And we see a river cooter. You can see.
I think yours will
And it's really big and it has those claws so you can smell it. And another red-eared slider. Not that big this time. Okay, guys. We found a pigeon. You ever seen the movie Storks? Yes, pigeon Cody. What up, bro? Another bird. Oh, there's lots of birds over there. Okay, guys. Now we found a cardinal. And found a male cardinal. You can tell if it's a female or male because the males are more dark red and the females are more like light red. Okay, we couldn't find all the turtles. The one that we didn't find was the soft shell and the snapping turtle. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like